Today's tech tip is about an add-on in Google Sheets called Flippity, and today I'll show you how to use a random name picker for your class. So when you go to flippity.net, then this is where you will find Flippity templates that you can use. There is a Flippity add-on. I tend to just go to these templates. And when you're in the templates, you can look at a demo, you can read the instructions on how to make it work, or you can just download the template and go from there. So right now we're going to look at what does the random name picker do for you. We'll go to the demo. And in the demo, the spinning wheel tends to be pretty popular. Click on it and randomly pick a student. You can choose the single name picker, or if you want to make sure you pick everybody in the class at least once, you can do a lineup. You can separate your students into groups. If you're not happy with the way the groups turned out, you can shuffle them. You can even separate your class into random teams for any activity. You can also design a seating chart. And if you're not sure what you can do, click to more and there's a huge list. If you want to print this, you click the print icon and it gives you a black and white version. So now I'm back at flippity.net where we looked at the demo. I'm going to go ahead and click on the instructions. And the instructions say that I'm going to make a copy of this template. So when I click on that, Google Drive will then make a copy of it and I can rename that copy and use it. From here, once I make a copy of it, it'll take it a minute to load into Drive, but then I'm going to name it something that I will remember and it'll be easy for me to find later. This one's going to be T3. I can also add the names of other students in class. I can export a list from Skyward and import the list of my student names. However I want to populate this list is fine. You could even embed student photos if you wanted to. So now I have all my students in it and I've named it. So I go back to the directions and it says I need to publish my spreadsheet. Publish it to the web and click Publish. Then I'll get the link from the Get the Link Here tab. Then I can bookmark it and share it. So I'm going File, Publish to the web. And I'm going to publish the entire document. Yes, I'm sure I want to publish it. Then I can close out of that. Go down to the bottom tab that says Get the Link Here. Once I click on that, I have my link. I click on the link, it's published to the web, and I will have everything I need to be able to use it in my class. It's got all my names in it, we're good to go. Now I can bookmark that to my bookmark site by just grabbing it from the top and bookmarking it, or I can copy the link and share that link. So here's my bookmark. Now I can get back to that spinner anytime I need it in class. But maybe I want to put it into my web page instead. So I can insert that whole entire page into my web page and get it there whenever I would like to get it. It's just another way to keep it other than bookmarking it. And now it's going to be embedded in my site and I can just go straight to my website and it'll be right there. Another thing that I've seen teachers do with this is rather than put names in it, maybe they put options for a warm-up and create a spinning wheel that would just have warm-up options that then they could use on their website kids could spin it and choose something. You could do a revision wheel. You could do a lot of different wheels with it as well. So explore Flippity. Try the typing test. I did that one the other day. They can create a word search, a bingo, mix and match. There's all kinds of things that people have put together using the Flippity add-on. We do have a previous Flippity video that we've created that talks about spelling and flashcards. You can watch our entire T3 video playlist from this year, or you can subscribe to our EdTech channel. Have a great Tuesday.